Welcome to beautiful British Columbia. We're Canada's most western province with nearly 1 million square kilometers of spectacular forests, mountains, coastlines, plains, and glaciers, 14% of which are environmentally protected. Here along the western Cordillera, nearly 2/3 of our province is covered in forests with trees that soar up to 200 feet. From massive mountains to farmland in the northeast interior plains, we have something for everyone. We have lakes and mighty rivers. Only 3% of BC land is farmed, but near our rivers, where the soil is rich, we make the most of it, growing wheat, fruit, and vegetables. Although alpine tundra, snowfields, and glaciers make up 1/3 of BC, our province is so big that the climate changes from place to place, from subarctic to humid. Mainly though, you'll need to pack an umbrella. Wind coming from the ocean over the mountains causes a lot of precipitation. It's especially rainy on the Queen Charlotte Islands and Vancouver Islands, our largest island and home to our capital city, Victoria. BC is Canada's third most populated province after Ontario and Quebec. Since mountains and water surrounds us, most people here live in valleys. In fact, 4 out of 5 people live in cities, with more than half living in Greater Vancouver, which is home to more than 4.5 million people. With so many people centered in this area, there aren't many people in the rest of the province. You will only find 4.8 people per square kilometer throughout BC. Our population, which has an average age of 41, is growing by about 8% a year. We attract about 14% of all immigrants to Canada, with Chinese and Punjabi being the most popular languages after English. We also have strong German, Italian, Japanese, and Russian communities, and we're home to more than 40 Aboriginal cultures. Many people here have jobs related to our province's rich natural resources like fish, minerals, hydroelectricity, and timber. In fact, almost half of all the lumber in Canada comes from BC each year. Fields like ecotourism, technology, and film are growing too. Hardworking British Columbians, especially those in our main industries, forestry, mining, and film, made our province the 4th most productive in Canada last year. Most of our province's tourist attractions celebrate the beauty of British Columbia, like Stanley Park's 1,001-acre park in downtown Vancouver, the Capilano Suspension Bridge, the world's longest suspension footbridge swing almost 230 feet above the Capilano River, and Whistler Blackcomb, a ski resort known around the world. Ours is in fact the only province where you can go skiing and golfing in the same day. These are just a few of the reasons nearly 9 million people visit BC each year, contributing more than $13 billion to the provincial economy. Well, Prime Minister Harper, now you have all the facts, but to get a real taste of all that BC has to offer, please visit us and we'll tell you all about the great things we can do with $30 million.
You took your time with the call, I took no time